Okay, guys, ever wanted a clean, structured way to showcase your best collections in a customizable grid? Well, this section makes it look genuinely polished. Today we're adding this collection section to your store, so let's not waste any more time, let's jump straight into it. Open your favorite browser and search for Shopify App Store. Click on the first link. This takes you straight to the official Shopify App Store. From here, you can install any app based on your needs. Right now, we're searching for Section Kit in the search bar. This is the app that makes building your store so much easier, genuinely. Open it and install it. The process takes just a few seconds, exactly like any other Shopify app. After installing, go to Explore Sections and search for this section. You'll find it here. Click on More Info and purchase it. All the details are listed right below if you want to read through them. I've already purchased this one though, so let's close this and click on My Sections instead. This is where your purchase sections live. Let me scroll down, and there's the section. Click on Customize, choose your favorite theme, and the section installs successfully. Now let's open it in Theme Customizer, and give it a second to load. Once ready, click on Add Section and search for it. Then choose Collection from the results. It'll be added instantly. Now let's scroll down and customize it together. First, let's customize the collection itself. On the left side, click on Add Collection. I'm just adding a random one here to show you how it works. Right below that, you'll find a custom image option and a custom title field too. Just below that, there's a custom link you can add as well. I'm filling everything in randomly for this demo, but you can add whatever fits your own store. You'll go through this same process for every collection, one by one, based on your own needs. Now let's move on to the section's main settings. First up is the Layout Style option. With 3 different layouts to choose from, pick whichever one fits your store best. Right below that, you'll find the section's heading, where you can add whatever title you'd like. After that, you'll see options for heading size on desktop, heading size on mobile, heading weight, heading alignment, and heading color. Go through each of these step by step and adjust them based on your own preference and branding. Once you've customized everything the way you like, just hit Save, and the section goes live on your store. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a like and let me know in the comments if you run into any issues. I read every single one and I'm always happy to help.